molding styles. Check out our top 5 crown moldings available in a variety of finishes and styles. Create your dream kitchen with these beautiful designs that will never go out of style. Whether you want an antique look or are looking for something more contemporary, we have the perfect fit just for you. Adding traditional crown molding to your kitchen cabinets will bring a timeless design into your home. With the added depth from the molding, your cabinets can be more eye-catching and appealing. Our traditional crown molding is available in our Brooklyn, Lenox, Napa, and Taylor lines. Royal crown molding is a perfect way to add an elegant touch and bring more interest to your design. It's also great for adding visual appeal. This molding has always been popular with designers due to their ability to provide unique decorative elements without being too intrusive or overpowering. Our Royal Crown molding is available in our Shaker, Brooklyn, Lenox, and Napa lines. Large crown molding adds a bold statement to any kitchen design project. This molding features a wide base with intricate detailing in its design. Our large crown molding is available in our Brooklyn, Lenox, Napa, and Taylor lines. Cove molding is a great way to inject some subtle textures into your home. Our Cove crown molding features an elegant scoop that adds dimension and style with minimal effort. This sleek cove will add a touch of sophistication to your modern or transitional designs. The Cove molding is available in all styles and finishes. The Shaker crown molding is a great way to add height and definition in your kitchen. This molding will make your classic Shaker-styled kitchen stand out with its minimalistic design style. The crown molding is available in our Shaker Designer White, Shaker Sand, and Shaker Espresso lines. Extra molding options. The bottom edge adds a finished look to your wall cabinets. The bottom edge is available in our Shaker, Brooklyn, Lenox, and Napa lines. The traditional light rail is a great way to add functional detail to your cabinets, providing an opportunity to hide outlets and light strips without sacrificing style. Our traditional light rail is available in all styles and finishes. Base moldings. All of our cabinets come with the toe kicks. If you're looking for a unique look, you can customize your cabinets with a contrasting toe kick. Shoe molding is great for protecting the bottom of kitchen islands and for filling any gaps. Furniture base molding is a great way to anchor your kitchen island and help your kitchen cabinets transition into your home furnishing. Our toe kick, shoe, and furniture base moldings are available in all styles and finishes. Versatile moldings. Scribe and batten moldings are a great way to add a finished look to your cabinetry without being obtrusive. The batten and scribe moldings are available in all styles and finishes. Looking for more ways to customize? Check out our accessories. And remember, if you have any questions or need any help getting started, just give us a call or send us an email. We're always happy to help.